So, JoJo is pretty cool. If my sources are correct, part 6 should be coming out today, which is also pretty cool. I was gonna get myself one of those, like, opposable figures, but, yeah, that's a lot, and, I don't have that kind of coin, so, I thought I'd make myself some highly inferior versions of them, minus the whole opposability thing, because, yeah, screw that. But first I have to actually model all of them, and, if you know anything about me, I suck at modeling anything organic. So with the help of a wacky little website, I was able to get my hands on the files for the past JoJo games. But because these were made for a game and not 3D printing, I had to do a little bit of modeling magic to get them to look more like this and less like this. Alright, so first off I'm going to do Bruno because, I mean, he requires the least amount of paint. So to start off I painted the base for all the zippers, and because I still had a bunch of black paint left over I just painted all the dots as well. And whilst I was at it, I also painted his shoes. Alright, so getting back to the zippers, I taped up all these sections around the recesses, and then started adding the gold. Then after that I gave Bruno a bit more of a tan, and well, I tried painting the eyes, but it didn't really turn out very well. And my poor attempt at recreating his tattoos really didn't help. Alright, so moving away from that, let's give Giorno a try. Alright, so despite him being purple, I'm gonna paint him purple. Then after that I gave dry brushing a bit of a try, and I mean it kinda worked a little bit. After that I painted the base for all the gold bits again, and then obviously I, well, painted it gold. Except for the little, like, beetle thingies, I also gave them a bit of blue. And after Giorno's time in the sun, I also gave him some golden hair. I mean, I didn't paint it gold, but they're yellow, and it's, yeah, you get it. And now for the moment of truth, I painted his eyes. And you know what? That's not too bad. I actually like this one, so good job me. But anyway, moving on to the final figure I'll be doing today. I also made Giorno's stand gold experience. Alright, so as its name would tell, this was pretty much completely gold, so I started off by painting the entire thing black. And then of course I actually painted it gold, paying special attention to all the parts that will actually remain gold. Moving on, I then painted all the, like, orange armor bits. I don't really know what they are, but they're orange. At this point I kind of realized, one, I didn't like the orange, it was a bit too dull, and I completely forgot to paint the entirety of the thighs, so I went over that and fixed it. And to finish them off I then went over all the detail bits with their required colours. And there you go, all 3 of my JoJo figures are now done. Well, they're not exactly consistent in their quality, but I mean, they were certainly a lot cheaper than $200, so they're good enough I suppose.